Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Sundial, although it won't come up on Robinhood for whatever reason, which is totally awesome. But anyway, Sundial, ticker SNDL. I've talked about them numerous times here on the channel. If you follow my channel, I talk about quite a few different MJ stocks, and have quite a few different ones, even the ETFs. I've went over those here on the channel as well, but this one is Sundial, the one I love to hate or hate to love, so however you want to look at it, but ticker SNDL. Bing is showing it as a hold, and here's a look at what it's done over the last year. Had the nice run up on February 10th to 295, and it's just ran down ever since then. This one is facing getting delisted, I believe, on February 7th if it doesn't get up above $1. So I kind of went over some of that on my last video about Sundial back on the 25th. So, and just come across some other information for those of you that follow Sundial. So let's discuss the Sundial Growers stock forecast. And this is on the 25th. So 23.03 million shares of the Sundial Growers were traded. Most recently, the company share price was 44 cents, and it changed around minus 2 cents, or minus 3.39% from the last close, which brings the market valuation of the company to $1.03 billion. Sundial at the last check was trading at a discount of 52-week high of $3.96, offering almost a minus 800% off of the amount. 52-week low of 40 cents. And so, just don't know what the future next 2 weeks is going to hold for this one. It could become delisted. That's what I'm afraid of. So, shares are performing particularly well compared to other companies within the same industry. As evident from the statistics, the company's shares have fallen minus 43.75% over the past 6 months, and at 69.23% annual growth rate, that is well above the industry average of 16.50%. Here it kind of goes over some consensus estimates. Two financial analysts predict the company will bring in an average of $33.65 million in revenue in the current quarter. Two analysts expect Sundial to make $187.8 million in revenue for the quarter ending March 2022. So maybe that will be the magic quarter, so who knows, but they could be delisted before then. Company sales for the same quarters a year ago were $11.48 million and $9.43 million respectively. Here kind of goes over some of the major holders. The stock is held by 157 institutions, which that kind of surprises me. So this Susquehanna, I'm not sure how to say that international. It's not about my pronunciation, it's about just bringing the news to you. Being the largest institutional investor by September 29, 2021, it held 1.32% of the shares. So I'm sure they're kind of pissed off at the return they're getting on this one. ETF managers, the Alternative Harvest, I believe that ticker is MJ, were the top two mutual funds as of November 29th, 2021. And I've talked about all these ETFs, Global X, Alternative Harvest. I think one ticker is MJ, one is POTX, THCX I think is another ticker, just off the top of my head. So, but I'll link all those in the description. Sundial has outstanding potential. This should be an entertaining article. Shares rose in value on Wednesday, the 26th, with the stock price down 3.72% for the previous day close, as strong demand from buyers drove the stock to 46 cents. actively observing the price movement. In the last trading, the stock closed the session at 48 cents, falling within a range of 45 cents and 50 cents. The value beta 5-year monthly was 5.65, referring to stock's 52-week performance. Its high was 396, and the low was 40 cents on the hold. Sundial has fluctuated minus 28.53% over the last month. So this one's going to continue fluctuating, and or I should say continue going down probably. It's hard to say where the bottom is going to be on this one. So here's some other financials about the Sundial. And everybody's saying to sell it, but I'm at a loss. If I could show you, I have 10 shares. I think my cost, or 210 shares. I think my cost basis is $1 something. So I'm down over 50%. I've lost a ridiculous amount of Sundial because of this sub. Why I think Sundial is a great buy? It probably would be a great buy if you did not have any other shares of it right now. I would be buying it, but I'm kind of putting off to see where the bottom is on this one. So over here on StockTwits, currently at 45 cents with a 52-week low of 50 cents and a 52-week high of 396. $625 million market cap and volume of 37.91 million. So I know the volume has increased on this one. I've seen it in the hundreds of millions and billion or 2 billion shares being traded at, I think that was last February when it was running up, but that might be what it takes to get this one to go back up. I believe it needs to be over $1 for 10 days to prevent it from being delisted. So retail shorts, and this one has been shorted. So, and there you go. Play some poker. Stock data. If we at least get to 50 cents, that would be cool. That would be 60 cents would be cooler. That would be very cool. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold. And over here on Tip Ranks, currently at a hold with 106, we'll just call it 107% upside to 94 cents. And if you have any other information on this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Here I finally got Robinhood to work, so it's not having too bad of a day. We're up to 42 cents on up to 46. So like I said, I have 210 shares at $1.04. There's a little bit more about Sundial. Low today. So it's hit the 52-week low probably just here recently. Didn't hit it today, but it could hit that again. So it's hard to say, but here's back where it hit the low on the 24th, so a couple days ago. But it's been kind of up and down. Looks like it might have hit, that might have been the bottom, the 41 cents there, and run up to almost 50, but need to get this one up so it doesn't get delisted. Like I said, if you have this one, list it in the comments, and I thank you for all the new subscribers, and the comments are always welcome. And if there's any other stocks out there you want me to make a video on, I'd be happy to do that for you as well. And again, I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.